In this session, we will discuss about the classes of PCB. So PCBs are classified into three different classes. We can say class A, class B, and class C PCBs. So in some other textbooks, we can also see class 1, class 2, and class 3 PCBs. So generally, we define the general electronics which is having the short life cycle, and the quality is a cheap quality. PCBs are all classified into class A or class 1 PCB. For example, toys, flashlights. So these are the example of class A PCBs. So in class A PCBs, they don't give you the warranty. So it may run on 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 week, or 1 month, 2 months. We cannot tell. This is a short life cycle, so no warranty will be given. So the quality will be very cheap, and the cost wise is also class A PCBs are very cheap in the market. So the next classification is class B, that is dedicated to dedicated services in electronics. So for example, you can say the laptops, PCs, and you have microwaves, so you have mobiles. So many of the consumer electronic products comes under class B. That gives you the long life cycle. For example, if you brought a PC, that they will give you 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year warranty. So that the life cycle is very good, and also the quality is also very good in class B classification of class B PCB. The next classification is class C. It is high reliability electronics. So the life cycle is very long, so we can also say a lifetime warranty, and these are all fail proof. In quality, it is fail proof. So most oftenly, the class C PCBs are designed in aerospace, military, medical, and in submarines also they use class C PCBs. Classification is based on the requirement. So class A, the requirement is not that important. Class B, yes, we need some important steps to be taken, at least 2 to 3 years it has to run. And then class C, yes, we need it like 25 year, 30 year, 40 year, 45 year, 50 years. And most of the time class C, they say that it's a fail proof, so it won't fail for a long time. So this is all about the classification of PCB. So based on the requirement, so we have classified that PCBs in three different classifications: class A, class B, class C. And as a PCB designer, we are most probably we will work on class B, and it depends upon which industry you are working in. If you are working in a defense industry, you will be able to design the class C PCBs. But if you are working in any reputed service company, so most of the time you will be delivered in class B classification of PCB. And if you are starting, if you are in a startup companies, so they produce their product is toys and flashlights kind of things, so you will be working on class A PCB. But I'll just make sure before starting your PCB, make sure what class of the PCB it is. So whether it is class A, so class B or class C, because the rule set for design guidelines for class A will be different, the design guidelines for class B will be different, and the design guidelines for class C will be very much different. And the study material is also different for class A, class B, and class C PCBs. So you need to have a lot of knowledge to design the class C and class B. And class A does not require that much guidelines. The guidelines are also very much less. So this is all about the classification of PCB.